Now, going to question number 2, we are asked to integrate. First of all, denominators are not meant to have sort. It's a rule of maths. So you have to rationalize by using the conjugate of the denominator, which is this plus this. Conjugate mean opposite sign. So this is to multiply up and down. So we have 1 over root 1 plus x minus x times root 1 plus x plus root x over plus x plus root x. You will now notice that the denominators are in conjugate that differed by what? Minus and plus. This gives me root 1 plus x plus x, root 1 plus x plus root x all over. Now, because these two are in conjugate, you say this, the first multiply the second minus the second multiply the, the first of this multiply the first of this minus the second of this multiply the second of it. This times this will give me 1 plus x. Why? Because this and this are under sort. They are under square root and they have the same number. Sort x times sort x will give me x. X minus x will go, remaining 1. So everything over 1. It means I am now to integrate sort 1 plus x minus plus sort x. That is what I am to integrate, the x. So totality of what you have here is this. Now this means integrate 1 plus x all squared, all raised to power 1 over 2 dx, plus integrate sort x, integrate x raised to power 1 over 2 dx. This is because square root means 1 over 2. Now, how do we integrate this? To integrate it, you know that this, if you differentiate it, differentiate 1, 0, differentiate x, it will give you 1. In fact, your answer you got. Answer you will get when you differentiate 1 plus x will give you 1, because this is 0. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x is 1. So everything will be 1. If we invert 1, 1 over 1 is 1. This will be giving you, this will now be giving you that integration of this is 1 integral u raised to power 1 over 2 du plus integration of this. I've integrated this and it gives me 1. I will invert it and it still give me 1. I will now say integral 1 over what? 2, right? Now, integration of u raised to power 1 over 2 simply means add 1 to the power. It means add 1 to the power, it will give you 3 over 2, because 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2, all over 3 over 2. That will be giving me 2 over 3 u raised to power of 3 over 2. I will note it. Now, I will come and write it here that it gave me 2 over 3 u raised to power of 3 over 2. Then I will try to integrate the second function. To integrate the second function, I will say add 1 to the power. 1 plus 1 over 2, that will be giving me what? X raised to power 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2. Okay? And that will be giving us 2 over 3 x raised to power 3 over 2. I will now say plus 2 over 3 x raised power of 2 over 3 x raised power of 3 over what? 2. Now, I have gotten my answer. I will not add plus c in this one. Here, I added plus c because this integral sign do not have upper and lower limits. So, I will not put plus c in this one. I will make use of the upper and lower limit given to me. See how we do it. Now, to solve it, I will write down what I got. This means 2 root u. What is my u? My u is 1 plus x. 2 root 1 plus x because of over 2. Then all over what? 3. Raised to the power of 3 all over 3, please. This u raised power 3 over 2 simply means root 1 plus x, which where u is what? X. Where u is 1 plus x. Now, you now say u raised power 3 over 2 means square root of 1 plus x all raised to the power of 3. Where the square root mean 1 over 2. Because 1 over 2 times 3 will give you 3 over 2 at the power. Then plus 2 over 3. This one can also be put at this. 2 root what? X all raised to the power of what? 3. All over 3. Then you put your upper and lower what? Limit. Upper is 1, lower is 0. That means carry 1, put inside here, get your answer. And carry 0, put inside here, get your answer and subtract. Now, 1, if you put 1 as value of x here, it will give you 1 plus 1. That is what? 2. Right? 1 plus 1, 2. Square root of 2 all raised to the power of 3 will give you square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2. That is 2 root 2. It will give you 2 root 2. Right? Now, 2 root 2 times these 2 outside, it will now give me 4 root 2. Right? All over what? 3. Plus, I'll carry 1 and put here. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 raised to the power 3 is 1. 1 times 2, 2. 2 over 3, 2 over 3. Whatever I got, I come and write it here. 4 root 3 all over 3 plus 2 root 3. That is what I got when I carry 1 and put inside my answer. Then I will carry 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Square root of 1, 1. 1 raised to the power of 3, 1. 1 times 2, 2 over 3. So what I got, I will just write it here. And I will say that this gave me 2 over 3. Then carry 0. Square root of 0, 0. 0 raised to the power 3 is 0. 0 times everything, 0 minus 0. So everything, when it is what? 0 for here is 0. This minus 0 will give me this. Then this is when it is 0 and this is when it is 1. I will subtract the answer. Subtracting the answer, it will give me that this will minus this. When 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3, it will leave you with 4 root what? 4. When this is 4 root 2, not 4 root 3. When 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3, it will go. It will leave you with 4 root 2 all over 3 answer. That means it gave us a definite answer. And that is why we call this definite integral. You don't put plus c, and because you don't put plus c, you means carry your upper limit, put and get your answer. Carry your lower limit, put and get your answer. Minus the answer you got for upper limit with the one of lower limit, you get your answer.